Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So a couple of days ago, I'll let you know that after installing the Patch Tuesday security update for January, KB5074109, that Microsoft had mentioned that it's investigating widespread reports that the update is causing the classic Outlook desktop client to freeze and hang for users with POP email accounts. And this has been quite a niggly issue, causing headaches for a lot of people, and I'll leave the video linked if you'd like some more information. Now, just a quick update because some more info has been made available, plus a workaround from Microsoft. We're over and above the freezing and hanging. Microsoft says emails are not appearing in the sent items folder despite being sent. And then another issue is Outlook re-downloads emails. So that's a couple of the problems that Microsoft has also identified since I last posted. Now, if we head over to the support document, which I'll leave linked down below because there's some more info regarding workarounds on this page. Microsoft says it's still investigating, so it hasn't found a fix, but Microsoft says you can try these 3 workarounds if you are affected. First of all, you can use webmail. So that's the online version. You can move PSTs out of OneDrive. And if you want to know how to do that, you can click on this link. That's why I said I'd leave this post in the description if you'd like some more information. How to remove an Outlook.pst data file from OneDrive. And then thirdly, believe it or not, Microsoft is recommending uninstalling the update. So you know things are quite bad if Microsoft is recommending uninstalling one of its own updates to fix a problem. Now, the update was a security update, but if the negatives are outweighing the positives, on your update history page, you can just click on uninstall updates, find the relevant update, you click on the uninstall button, uninstall the update, restart your device. And then what I would recommend is pausing updates until at least the next update. So you've got a couple of options, 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks and so on. Because if you don't pause the update, it'll try to reinstall itself because it is an automatic update. And just a quick side note regarding uninstalling updates. If you go to uninstall and you can't find the update, it means that you have run a disk cleanup or a storage sense where you've actually deleted the temporary update files. So I get a lot of questions on the channel saying, well, I can't find the update. So if you can't find the update, it means you've deleted the temporary files using disk cleanup or storage sense. And if you do that, if you select that option, clean up Windows Update on both those platforms, or even CCleaner as an example and other third-party disk cleaning utilities, you cannot then uninstall the update because it would have been removed. The temporary files would have been removed. So just take note of that. But nonetheless, there's your 3 workarounds according to Microsoft. This article will be in the description. And I just wanted to do this quick update because I know some of you have been affected by this issue. And hopefully Microsoft rolls out a fix sooner than later. And when that happens, or if I get more info, I will let you guys know. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.